Epigenetics. What is epigenetics? Well, before we get into the definition of epigenetics, let's just break the word down. So when you think of epigenetics, the first word that comes to mind is genetics. Genetics is simply our DNA. The next part of this word, epi, which means above, and when you put it together, you mean above our DNA. The technical term or the technical definition for epigenetics is the study of how molecular mechanisms of different environments can control gene activity. Now, we'll talk a little bit more about that when we start to talk about DNA methylation and histone modification. But if we could present the idea that what epigenetics is that there are heritable changes in gene expression, but it does not change, again, our genetic code. A very good example of this is twins. Twins are born and they have the same genetic code, they have the same DNA. However, with diet, age, time, things begin to change and they begin to look different. One twin might have gray hair at the age of 48, while another may not until 60 or not at all. Also, some twins one might develop melanoma, while the other may never develop melanoma. What are those things and how did that happen? Because the DNA is the same. Well, this is when epigenetics come into play. Now, for our next page, we're going to start talking about methylation. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy.